In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to Shopify. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin. From your main dashboard, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. This is where you control everything in your store. Look for the option labeled Products. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to your main products page, where you'll see a list of any items you've already created. On the top right-hand corner of this page, you'll see a button that says Add Product. Click that to open a brand new product setup screen. This is where you'll add all the key information your customers will see. At the very top of this page is the title field. This is the name of your product, so make it clear and descriptive. For example, if you're adding trousers, you could name them something like slim fit trousers or classic black trousers. Just below that, you'll find the description box. Here you can explain what the product is, highlight key features, materials, sizing information, and care instructions. If you struggle with writing descriptions, you can draft them using an AI tool and then paste and adjust them here so they match your brand voice. Next, scroll down to the media section. This is where you add your product images or videos. You can either upload new files from your computer, or if you've already uploaded some media to your store, you can select existing media. Choose clear, high-quality images that show different angles of the product. Good visuals make a big difference in how confident customers feel about buying. Now move down to the pricing area. In the price field, type in the amount you want to charge for this product. Just below that, you'll see the Compare at Price field. This is optional, but it's useful if you want to show a higher original price and a lower current price, like when you're running a sale or discount. It helps highlight savings to your customers. You'll also see a field for things like highlights or keynotes about the product. Type in short, clear points that quickly tell shoppers what makes this item special, such as the fit, fabric, or unique features. At the very bottom of the page, look for the search engine listing section. On the right side of that area, you'll see a little pen or edit icon. Click that to open the SEO settings. Here you can add an SEO title and a description. This is what shows up in Google search results. So use a clear product name and a short, compelling description that includes relevant keywords. Once you've reviewed everything and you're happy with your product details, scroll back up or down to find the Save button. Click Save to publish your changes. Your new product is now added to your Shopify store and ready for your customers to see.